Hi Han, how are you? Just hope nga nakasama yung panglawas and ang mga bata. And I'm so happy Han nga your birthday is near and pila na lang kaadlaw Han is your birthday na. And that is the most important thing in a man's life. God bless us with the life He endowed to us. And I'm so happy. Han, ang akong kalipay, di gyud matukip ang akong kalipay na diin it's your birthday. Han, as I can remember, way back 25 years ago, when we were young then, it's very cute kay we said hi and hellos and we became sweetheart and the most memorable na part na din we were having a dance during the GS prom and I was able to touch your hand so gently and talk to you intimately with your sweet smile and your eyes is so shine and it's very amazing. My feeling that time Han is I cannot explain and until such time that after graduation we separated ways and I went back to my hometown in Davao and we have our own family and but then again I could tell that destiny tells us so kay it's my long dream na I ask and I pray God that one day He will give me my stardust and here you are. I'm so happy. I cannot express myself how gratitude I am to God, to you, and to your family. They accept me for who I am and what I am. Especially the kids na they treat me as their dad. And that's so much and so mean to me and I'm so happy with that. They accept me without any conditions and they accept me for wholeheartedly. Honey, as you celebrate your birthday, Han, I wish you success and the well-being, good health, our relationship that will be stronger and stronger every day. Na whatever temptations or whatever trials we'll be able to overcome and surpass. 1 year more to go na lang Han. Gamay-gamay na lang yung agwanta. Then well, we can be together and rest assured Han, ikaw ang huling babaeng mamahalin ko and I will be faithful to you and I will be loyal and I promise to God na the stardust that has been given to me, hindi ko na siya pakakawalan pa. And everything will take its course as making God is the center of our relationship. Definitely Han, we will live happily ever after. Again Han, I have nothing to give on your President's Day, but my heart felt wish na I'm happy with you on your birthday. I love you, Han. I love you so much. I miss you. Happy birthday. Bye.